What's up everybody, and welcome to another day of flying with me, Ferosa. As you can see, we were blessed with another 6 to 8 inches of snow last night after thunderstorms, sleet, and rain. Typical April 1st in Minnesota, I guess. Not really, but here we are. It's absolutely beautiful out. I just wanted to get out and do some flying. I love it when we get some fresh snow on the trees here. And back at the disc golf course, see if we can get some cool shots. seriously couldn't have asked for a more beautiful day. And April 1st, I never thought we'd get this much snow. The sun popped out, it's so warm, it feels amazing. A little bit of a hike to get out here, but my gosh, this is just incredible. Hope the flights turned out. Flying was okay. I'm pretty rusty, man. I haven't flown at all this winter, not as much as I planned. My fingers, thumbs wouldn't stop shaking when I was getting into some tight spots, but thank God for GoPros. They probably make it look really good. But I'm gonna start making the trek back. Got a cryptic TCG tournament later today. Excited for that. A little bit of cross promotion going on there. Some of you know I've been playing a lot of that game lately and collecting and throwing events, hosting tournaments. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun packed day. Thanks for tuning in.